Yes, in previous session, we have finished the construction of the analytic function. Yes, f of z. If real part is given, if imaginary part is given, and if the relation between real and imaginary part, that is u plus v or u minus v, is given, then how to construct the analytic function f of z. That part we have finished. Now the last point. Yes, all are with me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट हाँ. Yes. Give the heading harmonic function. Last point of this unit. Yes, harmonic function. Okay. Definition. Any function phi of x comma y is called a harmonic function. Is called a harmonic function if its partial derivatives of first and second order are continuous or exist and continuous, and it satisfies Laplace equation. It satisfies the Laplace equation is del square phi, which is equal to del square phi हे असं येतं dou square phi upon dou x square plus or dou square phi upon dou y square. Yes, this is the Laplace equation. Understood the meaning of a harmonic function? Yes, means that is del square phi is equal to 0 if it satisfies the Laplace equation. Two conditions are required. The first and second order derivatives are exist and they should continuous, and it satisfies the Laplace equation. Yes, del square of phi is equal to 0. Then this function phi, yes, then this function phi is called काय म्हणायचं याला? Yes, then the function phi is called harmonic function. Getting? Hello? Yes. Note first, let f of z is equal to u plus iv be an analytic function, then the real part. Yes, what is the real part here? The real part u and v are said to be harmonic. Yes, are said to be harmonic if त्यांना कधी हार्मोनिक म्हणता येईल? Yes, hello? Dou square u upon dou x square plus or dou square u upon dou y square is equal to 0, or yes, dou square, hello, yes, आवाज येतोय का माझा? Dou square v upon dou v square plus or dou square v upon dou y square is equal to 0. Then we can say that the given function u and v are harmonic functions if this satisfies u harmonic, if this equation satisfies v harmonic. Getting? Hello? Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go for the next point. Example. Complex variable. Okay. Okay. Let's go with the examples now. Yes. Please check the screen now. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Example. Give the heading. Example. This is not visible. I don't know. Yes. Yes, the screen is visible for all. Yes. It is visible.
Yes, sir.
Write on the example. Yes. First, show that it is visible. Example.
Yes, sir.
Show that u is equal to y cube minus 3x square y. Yes. 3x square y is a harmonic function. Is a harmonic function. Find its harmonic conjugate. Find its harmonic conjugate and the corresponding analytic function. And the corresponding analytic function. Yes. Everyone has written the example. Hello.
No, sir.
I write an example first. First part we have to show that the function is harmonic. Second part we have to find its harmonic conjugate. We have to find its conjugate. And the third part, that is the corresponding analytic function. F of z we have to find. Written. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Let's go for the example now. एक्झाम्पल जाण्या अगोदर इथे बघा 3 पार्ट्स आहेत. टू शो हार्मोनिक. हाऊ टू शो द फंक्शन इज हार्मोनिक. येस. यूला हार्मोनिक प्रूफ करायचंय. याचा अर्थ काय प्रूफ करायचंय. Hello.
Second derivative is equal to
Addition of the two derivatives u double x plus u double y is equal to 0. Getting? Yes. This is a first part. Second part, analytic function f of z find out करायचंय. u दिलाय आणि f of z find out करायचंय. Yes. u given and we have to find f of z. This is my yes second part. Getting? हे आपण एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केलेत का असे? येस, आपण असे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केलेले आहेत का?
yes.
Yes, we have solved such types of examples. Yes, u is given, getting f of z by using formula. This is second part. And what is the third part? Yes, this is second, this is first and third. What is third part? Harmonic conjugate. We have to find the conjugate. Yes, f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic function. Then u and v are called as conjugates of each other. Yes, I have given the note. So what we have, the third part with us, that is the u is given, and third part we have to find. Yes, we have to find v. We have to find v. Understood? Hello. Yes, let's go for the solution. First, first बघा बरं. Example solution. Yes, the given part. Let u is equal to, what is value? Y cube minus, yes,
X square y.
3 times x square y. This is my given function. Let's start with the derivative. Ux. Yes, what is the derivative?
Minus 6xy.
Yes, minus 6xy. U double x.
Minus 6y.
बरोबर. Implies u double y ची व्हॅल्यू किती यायला पाहिजे? Yes, 6y पाहिजे का तो? चेक करा बरं, uy किती येतोय? uy
6y.
मॅडम uy 3y स्क्वेअर मायनस 3x स्क्वेअर. u डबल y परत डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला, सेकंडचा 0 आणि याचा 6y. इम्प्लाइज u डबल x प्लस u डबल y इज इक्वल टू मायनस 6y प्लस 6y इज इक्वल टू 0. इम्प्लाइज येस, काय म्हणता? u is
Harmonic function.
understood the first part? Yes. Now second part. What is second part? To find, yes, f of z. We know that. What is the result if u is given? F of z is equal to, what is the result if f of u is given? F of z is equal to integration, yes,
I1 z0
minus I phi 2 z0 dz. This is star where, yes, phi 1 of z0 is equal to, what is value? Ux, and phi 2 z0 is equal to uy. Therefore, yes, ux is equal to, इथं आहे का ux? Hello, ux with me. I will consider phi 1 z0. What will the value? What is value?
0.
Yes. Similarly, go for phi 2 here. No need to calculate 2 times. Phi 2 of z0. Yes. किती येतोय? In the place of x, put z, and in the place of y, put 0.
Where?
Yes. Minus 3z square. First term 0. Second term minus 3z square. Getting? Hello. Yes. Is that correct? Therefore, equation star becomes f of z is equal to, taka bar value. Yes, the first value is 0 minus I minus 3z square dz. Okay. विच इज इक्वल टू, बघा बरं किती येतोय, एफ ऑफ झेड इज इक्वल टू मायनस मायनस प्लस आला, प्लस 3i झेड स्क्वेअरचं इंटिग्रेशन,
Z³/3.
yes z³/3, 3 get cancel, f of z is equal to, yes I z³ plus c. This is my f of z. Second part is completed. Now third part. What is third part? To find, yes, its conjugate v. To find v, every time we have to put z is equal to x plus iy in f of z. Therefore f of z किती आला आपला, I z³. इथं c कन्सिडर करू नका at the time the getting what we can say v फाइंड आउट करताना इथं c कन्सिडर करू नका, कारण आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं रिअल पार्ट, सॉरी इमॅजिनरी पार्ट वी हॅव टू फाइंड. I z³ ची व्हॅल्यू, yes x प्लस iy ब्रॅकेट क्यूब I काय येणार, x³ प्लस, yes काय येतो फॉर्म्युला, i³ प्लस 3x² iy, yes प्लस 3x iy चा स्क्वेअर, yes विच इज इक्वल टू, बघा बरं, yes now multiply I to the whole term, I x³ I into I raised to 4 y³ plus इथं I आहे 3x² y I² plus 3x y² I चा क्यूब, बरोबर का. डिग्री एक एक नी वाढेल प्रत्येक टर्मची. इज दॅट क्लिअर? हॅलो, what is the value? I we have to keep as it is. No, we don't have value of I, it is root minus 1. I raised to 4, what is value of I raised to 4?
1.
Yes, I is equal to root minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I raised to 4 is equal to 1. So it is y cube, I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I, 3x y square. Construct the real and imaginary part. Y cube minus 3x square y plus I into the bracket x cube minus 3x y square. This is my f of z. Yes, this is my given example. U हाच आहे का बघा. This is my given example u, and therefore v is equal to, what is the value? What is the value of v? What is the value of v?
X³ minus 3.
X cube minus 3xy square. This is the answer. Understood? Hello? Yes. Harmonic f of z, already we have did this thing. Just we have to add one more thing. We have to put the value of z and get the value, the corresponding function we have to get. Yes, that is the additional part in the example. Getting? Hello? लक्षात येते का?
Yes, sir.
कंप्लीट करा. Completed. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Second page. Completed.
Yes, sir.
सर 1 मिनिट मागची स्लाइड घ्या ना.
आवाज येत नाही तुमचा मला.
मागची स्लाइड घ्या ना 1 मिनिट सर.
हॅलो.
हॅलो सर.
येस सर, बोला मग.
सर मागची स्लाइड घ्या ना 1 मिनिट.
स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घ्यायचं रे बाळ.
हा सर 1 मिनिट.
ठीक आहे.
झालं सर.
नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. हा, consider u is equal to, there are 3 examples out of this. Yes, first, second, and this is third and fourth. There are these 4 examples. Out of these 4 examples, I will solve one example. There are these 4 examples. Out of these 4, I will solve 1, 3 for homework. Remaining 3 examples for homework.
सर ते फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल 3x क्यूब आहे ना.
3x square y, man. Wait a minute. Let me zoom. 3x square y, man. Yes. 3x square y plus 2x square minus y cube minus 2y square. Yes, written. Hello, example झाले लिहून. Yes,
Yes,
tell me any one of the example so that I will solve the example here. Yes, u is equal to u is equal to cos x cos hyperbolic y, cos x cos hyperbolic y. Okay, let's try to solve this example. First part, yes, ux, yes, ux is equal to, yes, what is the derivative? Cos hy as it is, derivative cos x,
minus sin x.
yes, u double x, cos hy as it is, minus sin x, derivative minus cos x. What will be the value of u double y? What is the value of u double y? Yes, cos x cos hy, opposite with this. Check the value of uy. Yes, cos x as it is, cos hy derivative, yes, sin hy, and sin hy is a per derivative cos hy. Therefore u double x plus u double y is equal to 0, implies u is, yes, काय म्हणायचं, harmonic function. Second, to find f of z, yes, we know that formula f of z is equal to integration of phi 1 z0 dz minus I integration of phi 2 z0 dz. Yes, where phi 1 z0 is equal to ux, phi 2 z0 is equal to uy. Therefore, yes, tell me the value of, now this is my phi 1 of z0. किती आहे ती value? Hello, yes, it is minus sin z. Hello, and this is my phi 2 of z0, as y is of sine, therefore its value will be 0. Phi 2 z0 is equal to 0. This is equation star. Getting? Hello, yes, f of z is equal to phi 1 of z0 किती आला, integration of minus sin z dz minus 0 dz implies f of z is equal to, what is the value? Yes, what is the value of f of z? Integration of minus sin z. Hello,
cos
it is
z.
cos z plus c. Integration is cos z plus c. This is my f of z. Okay, now the third part. Yes, what is the third part? To find, yes, v फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी काय पुटअप करायला सांगितलंय? Yes, z is equal to x plus iy in f of z. टाका बरं व्हॅल्यू. f of z is equal to किती व्हॅल्यू आहे? cos z. Yes, cos of x plus iy. एक्सपांड करा बरं. cos x cos iy प्लस ला मायनस येणार sin x sin iy which is equal to, yes, cos x cos iy ची व्हॅल्यू, yes, without I, cos hy relation sin x as it is, value of sin iy, yes, I sin hy. This is f of z. This is my u. Given example. Is that clear? Yes. Therefore, what is the value of v? Yes. The final answer. Hello?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x sin hyperbolic y. This is the final answer. Getting? Hello? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Yes. The remaining example, solve it by your own. Okay, 3 examples for homework I have given. Complete this part. Yes, first page is over.
Yes, sir.
Second page. Completed this part? Hello? Completed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two examples are sufficient, or should we shall we add more examples? Hello? Two examples are sufficient, or shall we add more? Hello? Sufficient? Yes? Okay. If it is sufficient, then no issue. ठीक है. इथे तुमचा complex variable unit is over. Yes. Now the complex variable unit is over. The last unit is remaining, that is multiple integral. Multiple integral and its application. Yes. This is the last unit. Required 10 lectures. Maximum required 10 lectures to finish this unit. So up to maybe 2nd or 3rd of August, we will finish the syllabus. Okay. You will get the notice. The ISA will start from the 1st of August. Okay. Any doubt in this? Hello? Yes?
No, sir.
Okay. Next lecture la yachavarti key points. We will consider the revision on this unit, key points, and yes, MCQ. We will consider key points and MCQ of this unit for the next lecture. Shall we stop now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.